Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the lock screen section. Here you'll see no, not lock screen, home screen. Tap to hide apps and homes and lock screens and you'll see here all of the applications on your device, and if you wanna hide a couple of the apps, just click here to select them by this way, and now you'll find them here on the left side of your screen in hide and apps section. We'll just tap to done to save the changes. Also, we got one more way how you could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to the settings, and by the same way open here hide apps on home and app screens, and just you could add them from here by the same way, or just to remove them by click to this minuses to save the changes. Tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.